In today's video, I am going to teach you how to accept Google Drive request. If someone has asked for access to a file or folder you own, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to review that request and grant the right level of permission in a safe, simple way. First, head into your Google Drive and locate the specific file or folder the person wants to access. If your drive is busy, use the search bar at the top to type the file or folder name, or glance through your recent section if you opened it recently. You can also switch between list and grid view to scan more quickly. The goal here is just to find the exact item the requester needs, so you are granting permission to the right place. Once you've found it, right-click the file or folder and choose Share. On a trackpad, that might be a two-finger click, and with a mouse, it's the standard right-click. Selecting Share opens the sharing dialog, which is your central hub for managing who can view, comment on, or edit this item. Inside the Share dialog, look for the pending request. You'll typically see the requester's name or email and sometimes a short message explaining why they need access. If more than one person has requested access, you'll see multiple entries here. Take a quick moment to confirm this is the correct person and the correct file or folder before proceeding. Next, decide the permission level you want to give. Viewer means the person can open and read the file or browse the folder contents without making changes. Commenter allows them to leave comments and suggestions on compatible file types, which is great for feedback and review cycles without altering the original content. Editor gives full editing rights, including changing content and, in some cases, resharing, so reserve this for people you fully trust to collaborate directly. Choosing the right level helps protect your work while keeping collaboration smooth. After you've selected the appropriate permission, click Send. That action approves the request and notifies the person automatically. They'll receive an email letting them know they now have access based on the level you chose, and they can open the file or folder right away. If you ever need to adjust or remove access in the future, you'll use this same share window to update permissions. And that's all there is to it. Locate the item in Drive, open the Share dialog, review the pending request, choose the correct permission level, and click Send to confirm. Thanks for watching.